What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video we're going to be working with, let me turn this TV off, hold on. In today's video we're going to be working with Unice here once again, one of my favorite companies. I was sent this 10-inch highlight or ombre blonde wig. I was kind of honestly scared. I've never done 10 inches before. I think the shortest I ever done was 12. And yeah, they reassured me that it's gonna look good and all that, so thank God, I trust them. I went ahead and, you know, agreed to be sent this wig, and honestly I ain't gonna hold you, I am in love. That was the best thing I ever did. I think your girl about to be into bobs now, because bobs is not really for me. I like long bobs, if that makes sense, like the 14-16 inch bob. I've never been the short type of bob girl. I like length, like I love some length. But like I said, I'm surprised at how this hair turned out. This hair was a little wet still as I was straightening it, so I was kind of blow drying / straightening it. But yeah, I honestly love this wig. Like I said, I'm so glad they honestly made me try this 10-inch wig, because it's not as bad as I thought it would be. I don't know, when you hit 10 inches you hit mad short, like, and I kind of got nervous. I'm like, damn, like this shit about to look whack. Like I feel like this is about to look crazy on me. This is about to look crazy. But like I said, I'm so glad that I tried this wig. 10 inches is not as bad as I thought it was. And I love Unice. I love the hair company. I love everything about Unice, okay? All the hair details will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.